Okay, to clean the windows, you need a couple simple things: glass cleaner, a wet rag, a dry rag, and a squeegee. When you're cleaning windows, you never want to clean when it's sunny outside because it's going to dry up your glass cleaner really quickly and leave streaks very fast. It's gotten a little cloudy outside, so hopefully it's going to be okay. With the wet rag, you're going to wipe down all your dirty spots just to get the dirt loosened up. Makes it easier to clean with the squeegee. Next, you're going to use your glass cleaner. Go ahead and just spray it on. Clean a dry spot off in the corner, and then you'll either use horizontal or vertical squeegees. And after each strip, you want to go ahead and wipe your squeegee. Now, by using the horizontal and vertical stripes, one on one side and the other on the other side, you'll be able to tell which side your streaks are on. So on the inside, if you used horizontal and you can see the vertical stripes, then that means that the streaks are on the outside and not on the inside.